With a new project, created from IFC file, you can quickly proceed to associating the structure to the recognized objects. Choose the type of objects to view. Select a grouping. The objects are assigned with the default material layer. View the object characteristics acquired by the IFC model. Assign the material layer by selecting it from the library. In 3D view, the objects that now have a correctly assigned material layer are colored green. A message warns us if the chosen material layer has a different thickness compared to that of the selected objects. Proceed in the same way to associate door and window models.